Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into DeepSeek AI Assistant, one of the most popular AI tools right now. I'll show you how to download, set up, and use it step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. Downloading DeepSeek. Open the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Search for DeepSeek AI Assistant. Tap Install or Download. This app is powered by the DeepSeek V3 model, offering unique features similar to ChatGPT. Part 2. Logging in. Launch the app after installation. Log in with your Google account, Apple ID, or create a new account. Alternative access. If you don't want to download the app, you can access DeepSeek from your browser. Search www.deepseek.com/ on your browser. You'll see two options. Click on Start Now. Log in with your Google account, Apple ID, or create a new account. Part 3. Navigating the interface. After logging in, the main chat screen is the first thing you'll see. Access previous chats from the top left menu. Use the plus button in the top right corner to start a new chat. The text box at the bottom is where you'll type your questions. Part 4. Asking questions. Let's test it out. Type a question like, how many planets are there, and hit send. DeepSeek will respond quickly, often faster than ChatGPT. Part 5. Using DeepThink R1. Enable DeepThink R1 in the settings for advanced features. It's free to try and perfect for tasks like web searches or analyzing stock prices. For example, ask, what is the stock price of NVIDIA today? And get detailed real-time answers. DeepThink R1 is currently being updated, so some features may be temporarily unavailable. Part 6. Uploading files. To upload files, tap the plus button during a chat. Share documents, images, or other files for analysis. Note, file uploads may pause if an active web search is in progress. Part 7. Managing your profile. Tap the profile icon at the bottom to access account settings. From here, you can delete chats, update preferences, or remove your account if needed. And that's it. You're now ready to use DeepSeek AI Assistant like a pro. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.